Hello. Today I have a '08 Nissan Altima 3.5 V6. We're changing the bank one, sensor one, oxygen sensor, which is a rare one, and it's very hard to get to it on top. So I just want to show you the easiest way to get this out. If you come to the passenger side and take the wheel off, the tire off. Let me get a better picture. Okay, let's see. So you see the very top one on the rear is right there. You can see my tools on top of it. To lose this oxygen sensor, let me show you first the direction for the oxygen sensor. So bank one, sensor one will be the rear of the engine, the top one. And bank one, sensor two will be the bottom one right there. And bank two, sensor one, it'd be the very top one, and bank 2 sensor 2 is the bottom one right there. This is the hardest one to get to, so I have this snap-on tools. It's a very good one to just to go on the very tiny area like that. I already lose it, like show you over here. Is the top one over there. So I put this on top, then just lose it. Then you can continue do it. Just manually use your hand. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.